Welcome back to LFTR Diaries. This week we are... Wait, what? That's not our truck. That's not where we're supposed to be. What happened? If you're new here, friends, our family of 4 plus Frankie the dog have been out enjoying the Great Lakes this summer. We set out from our home in Washington, enjoyed many stops along the way east, and made our way to the Midwest. We visited with friends and family, went to concerts and a music festival, and camped and hiked in beautiful places. We've had some detours and plan changes in amongst the beauty. We're about halfway through our big summer trip, and not everything has been perfect, but it sure has been fun. Check out our Summer of Song playlist to see all of the adventures. After a week in the UP last week, we prepared to cross the border to Canada and spend some time in a provincial park. And that's when things got interesting. So we stayed the night at a Walmart in Sault Ste. Marie on the US side. And getting ready to cross the border. Not anticipating any issues, but we'll let you know.
Nah, never had any issues before.
We're headed into Ontario. We're going to be at Chutes Provincial Park for a few days, and then we've got a Harvest Fest plan, and then we're going to be outside of Toronto to go see Mount Joy.
Heck yeah. Oh, I'm so excited.
Seeing a part of Canada that we haven't seen before.
It's true.
Fun.
So, the fun never ends. As soon as we cross the border, for some reason our TPMS started saying leaking and flashing a little red light. So we stopped at this Canadian Tire, Canada's superstore, and we're checking out our tires. I don't know, it's still saying leaking. We didn't see anything looking at the tires. I'm gonna let it kind of like reset. Jamie has something for me. Okay, what's up? What is it?
This tire.
That tire?
Look at the inside of it.
The inside? What do you mean? What's wrong, Jim? I don't see it.
You don't see it?
No, what are you talking about? Inside.
The inside check. Feel it.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's super worn down. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So, I don't know why it was saying we were leaking. That's still a mystery. We didn't find any leaks, but we did find
Some problems.
well, upon further inspection, the tire needs changed. Yeah.
So it doesn't look as bad here.
There's
as in some
sections of it
spots.
that are really bad, yeah.
It makes me think it's like a bearing or something.
I know. It shouldn't be though, because we have those like never lube bearings. Unless the seal broke. Unless the seal broke.
It's not getting hot.
I know.
Like the wheels are cold.
Yeah.
I don't.
So.
But we also have, this is what happened to us in Alaska last summer.
Yes.
Is the opposite corners are wearing on the insides.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of thinking it's like alignment or like one of the axles or both the axles are bent or something. So there's an Airstream dealer in Toronto. That's where we're headed next. We're going to try and come back to this discount tire.
Canadian Tire.
Oh, sorry, Canadian Tire. God, we are in Canada, and then it's Canada Day, so we can't get anything done today.
I know, we're at a Canadian Tire and we can't
do anything. They should.
Everything's closed.
We should be able to look online and see if they have the tires we want, and or give them a call or come over here in the morning. But we're gonna head to a KOA for the night, and so we can stay close to civilization. We were supposed to be out at a provincial park tonight, which is kind of a bummer to miss it. But we'll at least get nice showers and stuff at a KOA.
Yeah, I'm hoping we can still make it there for
Oh, we'll need to dump on the way
a
in.
couple days.
Do they have a dump there?
I assume so.
Okay.
It's not one thing, it's another.
Oh.
So, okay. We're here at OK Tire in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario.
Yeah, we waited a couple days for our tires to come in.
Yep, so it's Wednesday now. We don't usually say what day specifically, I guess, but
Crossed the border on Monday evening.
Yep, we hung out at the KOA here,
It's nice. It's a nice cave.
which actually wasn't bad, I have to admit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, not at all.
it was nice. We spent most of that time trying to figure out what the heck we're gonna do. And we have another pivot.
We are crossing the border again today and driving 7 hours by Friday to get down to Jackson Center. This is 4th of July week, and we will be
Jackson Center where?
Jackson Center, Ohio, the home of the mothership for Airstream.
Yeah, this is apparently the only place we can go to have our axles checked and our alignment checked and fixed.
And the alignment is not going to be covered under warranty, most likely. If we do need new axles, there's a chance we might be able to cover that under warranty. I was a little shocked to hear that. And that
See what you did there.
We can only
Shocks.
only have the axles worked on, really, unless they're getting replaced by a dealer. We can only really have them aligned or done anything like that done at the mothership, which is nowhere near where we live. So they were booked out to December, but they got us in for Friday.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna head there on Thursday and park up at their. They apparently have a bay where we can park for free with full hookups for Thursday night, and then they'll get started on it early Friday morning, and they might actually finally fix our second air conditioner as well.
That would be nice.
It'd be very nice.
Hey, I mean, if we can end up like having peace of mind that this issue, which is an issue that we discovered last summer
Yeah.
in Alaska when we realized the tires were wearing unevenly on the inside.
Yeah.
On 2 of them. If we could feel good about that and get the air conditioner fixed, I'm all right with that.
Yeah.
I mean, like, it's kind of weird that we're going ahead with getting tires now, but I had already had them order them for me.
Yeah, I think it's fine because
And yeah,
we didn't want to. I mean, we still have to drive like 500 miles to Jackson Center, and one of the tires was so bad that like I wouldn't have felt good doing that.
it was really bad. Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, we'll get this done and hit the road and
14 hours of driving this weekend when we were only supposed to go a few. So.
we're gonna miss Chutes Provincial Park completely, which is unfortunate. It looked like as nice as Jay Cook.
It looked a lot like that.
Mm-hmm.
We were looking forward to the hiking, and yeah.
Yeah, but you know, this is how it goes sometimes. Hasn't necessarily been easy this summer, but we've gotten to do a lot of fun things, and we're looking forward to what we've got left still. So
Yeah,
we're trying to stay on the road.
I'm just really hoping that if we get this down to Jackson Center, that it actually resolves the issue. Like, I'm a little hesitant. Getting ready to cross the bridge, the Mackinac Bridge. The sign said 20 miles an hour for like trucks and RVs, so we'll see.
Yikes.
We're not the only ones though. There's plenty. New experience here at the Airstream Terraport at the Mothership. About half of it's shut down, which is kind of lame. But you get free full club camping if you have a service appointment for the night before, the night after. It's very tight quarters. It's fine, it's nice. But we plan to head to a state park this weekend. They bring your rig back every night. So even if they need it Monday, we'll probably just go to the state park and come back on Sunday. So
I do have to say, I'm glad they could fit us in, but waking up at 5 a.m. in Jackson Center, Ohio was not on my summer to remember list.
Our family does not do well getting up early. This still feels like 5 a.m., like 7 a.m. Eastern still feels like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. or 4 a.m. to us West Coasters. So.
So we have more problems than we realized we had.
They're already working on it though.
Yeah, they are. It's good that we came in here for the alignment. The alignment definitely needs done. They also found...
They definitely like make a laundry list for you when you're in here. They make the most of your time.
They're gonna go ahead and replace the fan that we were gonna have to go through Des Moines to get replaced. They're gonna check out what's going on with the AC, but apparently, since it has soft starts on it,
it's not under warranty.
Then Dometic doesn't warranty that. I don't know why they don't just come that way in the first place.
They also told us that our front end damage is likely exempt.
Oh, also we have front end damage.
Our front end damage is likely made worse by the fact that Vegas put our batteries in the back.
Yeah. Because there's a lot more weight in the back than is usual. I think, personally, I do think it's kind of a design flaw with this specific rig, that it gets that front end damage. It's too widespread.
It
can't
corrected
be
it on the newer models. Like, it's not nearly as bad on the newer ones.
It can't be just because of our batteries.
No, it's not just.
It is a widespread issue with this model.
They know that. But they're taking care of us. They came over and looked it all over, and there's no telling like what was made worse by the alignment issues and all that too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so they came back out to talk to us.
They already got the front end taken apart.
They're working on patching it up today, and we're gonna come back after Gen Con. And we actually have to leave the rig with them for 2 days and be out of it for 2 days
after
for them to properly fix the front end separation issue.
Yep.
So where are we gonna stay?
We're gonna find a hotel.
We'll be ready to be out of the rig for a couple days.
Yeah.
A water park one?
So there's just never a dull moment. We're hanging in there.
It's 1:30 p.m. and we are already leaving Jackson Center.
Goodbye, Jackson Center.
We'll be back in a month. Have we told the camera already why we're coming back in a month? We have, right?
I think we did.
I can't remember.
Yeah.
Okay. We will be back in a month to have the front end separation completely resolved, but they've already patched it up for us so that we're good to go for the next month and keep traveling. And you guys, I am so excited. They fixed so much stuff in the course of like half a day.
They fixed more stuff than we knew was wrong to begin with.
My AC works.
They fixed
You mean always?
the air conditioner. We've been running on one air conditioner, and it's the smaller air conditioner all summer because our second one, our main one, wasn't working. So we have 2 air conditioners now.
Mm-hmm.
So great. They've never actually worked all the way. The second Fantastic fan works now. The one in the kids' bedroom, that has also never worked.
Never worked.
So they got that fixed. They fixed the city water inlet pressure issues we were having. They fixed the alignment. It turns out that the rig was very out of alignment, so they fixed that. What else? They fixed the door. They patched where the panels had pulled away.
Yep, we do have to go back to get that.
That plus the front end
done.
stuff all has to get done. So we are gonna have to come back and be out of it for a couple nights. It's pretty rare that they have you out of it for a couple nights. But this is one of the cases where they'll need it to keep it kind of torn apart. So that's all great.
Probably just to let things set up too, I imagine.
So that's like awesome. We are so happy. And everything was covered under warranty except for the alignment, and we only paid $350 for the alignment.
Yep.
And
$350?
Yep.
besides all of that, they were just so nice. Unfortunately, our return trip to Jackson Center went much less smoothly, but that's a story for another day. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Next week finds us in Toronto for a concert and seeing Niagara Falls from the Canadian side before we're back in Michigan on a state park camping spree. You won't want to miss it. Until then, we'll see you down the road.